It's so funny that we always do these unboxing videos on the pool table. I don't know. It's just cluttered a bit, and there's these lights, and there's Ronnie. Ronnie's real ugly, and I don't know. But it kind of works out because the light kind of illuminates his face, but not enough to scare you guys away. And then it also illuminates the workspace.
Beau thinks he's the star of the local losers.
I'm totally the local loser star.
Peach is dancing on, I guess.
Anyways.
So
what are we doing?
We're just showing like what and where I got some things to finish the motor build.
Okay. What and where?
At this point, I have 4 things left to buy, which is main studs, head gasket, and bearings.
Okay.
Well, and pistons, because I don't like these. We'll talk about this later.
Yeah, that's a whole nother thing.
Yeah, don't buy those.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it.
Bought some stuff. This and this timing kit from FR Sports.
Okay. FR Sports, good stuff. Typically.
I had one issue. It took 2 weeks to get this stuff. One thing that they said that they didn't have in stock, and it made it all confusing, and it took a week of like figuring out that this thing was discontinued, and then it took a week to get these.
Okay.
If it would have just taken a week, would have been good. If things are discontinued, take them off your site. Moral of the story. So let's find out what's in here. This should be 2 things.
Okay.
So thing number 1.
Thing number 1, a Rubik's Cube.
I know a lot of people aren't big Mishimoto fans.
Okay.
But Mishimoto makes a lower temperature thermostat.
Oh, okay.
It's for an SR and a KA, and so we got that. I think it's like a 170 instead of a 180.
Okay.
So yeah, there's that.
Do we need a lower temperature thermostat?
I don't know if we need it, but the truck had the problem with overheating,
Yeah.
so I thought I would get a lower temperature thermostat
Okay.
to
Well,
try
that makes
and combat
sense.
that.
Why not?
I also got a Gates high performance water pump.
Okay.
So hopefully, again, to help combat that.
High performance.
High performance.
Water pump.
We got this timing kit from them, which I'm quite happy with.
For who? FR Sport?
FR Sport
Okay.
as well. And what I've been told is there's one thing you want to check whenever you're getting a timing kit, and that's that the guide is metal backed.
Okay, and it is.
So make sure that you got that, and you're good to go. And this is pretty cool. Comes with a tensioner.
Is that a rear main seal or front
Comes
main
with
or what?
Your seals.
Crank seal
Yeah, I
or
think it
what?
should be the like for the crank
Okay.
seal. Comes with both sprockets you need, your timing chain, the bolts you need.
Okay.
So pretty complete little kit there, and it wasn't bad. I paid $200 for all that.
That's not bad.
Yeah, I didn't
Not
think
bad
it
at
was
all.
bad at all. This,
What is this?
get that part number, because people are going to need that, because some people at AutoZone can't find this.
Check this upside down part number. Will you flip that over? I think that's upside down. That is CS 9646. And what is this?
This is a lower seal kit. So if you don't want to use like a cheap head gasket and things like that, you get this. It gives you everything else you need except for like valve seals and a head gasket. And like intake manifold gaskets. Doesn't give you that, so you have to buy those separate.
So what kind of stuff is in here?
Let's find out.
Okay. Cut stuff with a screwdriver?
Yeah, dude.
What? An oil pan gasket, I see.
Yeah, those are
about to tear.
Well, they're trash. You don't use them.
Okay. Well, those are trash.
So, we have the rear main.
Oh, there's the rear main seal right there.
This is for that that crank holder thing. Remember we had to unbolt?
Yes.
That's the seal for that.
Okay.
Water pump. This is for the oil pump. Don't know what's in here. You have your front oil pass seals. This is another thing for the oil filter, depending on which one you have. Oil pump. It gives you some RTV, because this is what you're supposed to use. You're not supposed to use these.
Okay.
And then it gives you your other little seals you need, a copper washer or something. And front main seal.
So what's in that envelope?
I don't know, should we open it?
Yes.
It looks like an oil pump gasket.
Okay. Didn't it already have one of those?
Yep. Oh yeah, because that's for the other one. Because this does 2 different motors.
Ah,
So,
interesting.
So yeah, so this is the other one, and that's probably why it has 2 of these as well. So there's some things that you won't use, but this is the kit that you want to get because it comes with basically everything you need.
Dope. So y'all got that part number, right? Aha!
Throw those away.
Oil pan gaskets. Let the dogs chew on those. Let Levi tear them up and lose them.
Now this is something that I did some research on.
Okay. Milling.
This is what I ordered that I couldn't get. I ordered a Tomei high performance oil pump. Well, this is what you get, and this is an L26 and L28
Okay.
T oil pump. So
From
this
a
is
280Z or 280ZX or something
yeah,
like that?
280ZX turbo.
Okay.
You want the turbo one, and so it has a bigger pump inside it, so
Okay.
it flows more and it has higher pressure.
That's
So-
pretty cool.
So that's what you want, and you can get these for about $100 from. Actually, maybe there's
Is there a part number on that box?
90
maybe?
bucks. Yeah, let's get a part number, and you just get them from AutoZone. There's yes, right there. Bam.
M152. Melling engine parts.
And it comes with an oil pump gasket as well.
Awesome. I'm having to go up and over, under and over this bar.
And then I don't know where this came from, but it says Beau on it.
Oh, I get to unbox something. Here, hold this camera. I get to unbox something. Haha! This is my unboxing video.
Beau got some big motor parts here.
Dang, dude. Serious parts. What is this, like a turbo?
Hey, there's a razor right here.
Is this like a turbo? I got it.
Oh, here's a screwdriver.
Dang.
What is that, dude?
What? It is a 300 millimeter blue tinted convex Broadway mirror.
Is it from Japan?
Dude, it is overnight parts from Japan.
Dang, dog.
Look at that. So pretty. Woo! Boom. You can see yourselves in it. Right on. See, so this is way cooler than what Ronnie got. All right. Unboxing video over now that my stuff's done.
Yep.
Now that the important stuff is passed.
But that's pretty much it. That's what we got so far. Yeah,
Yeah, exciting stuff.
I think so.
I think so as well.
We're getting close. We're getting close.
So close.
We're gonna start hitting it hard pretty soon. We gotta take the seats out and clean the inside because it's disgusting.
Of yours or mine?
Mine.
Both? Oh, somebody's calling me. Let me go see what's going on. Yes. I don't know, just tomorrow. Stuff we were talking about. Doing stuff. You know, going to the dump, serious stuff.
Yeah, that's the end of our unboxing video. If you guys have any questions on parts, let us know. Beau has all
He
the
was still
answers.
talking, but it doesn't matter. Nobody cares. Anyways, we unboxed. Things are unboxed.
That's not the only hole I get in.
Dang, he's so nasty. That's private stuff.
That's why I got the neck beard.
Anyways, that's it. We're done. Yeah, that's it. We're done. That's all I'm gonna say. Dude. Later.
We'll see you guys.